Hello lovely, this is the Love Beauty channel. Thank you for clicking on this video today. You're welcome to my workstation. So if you are a subscriber, thank you so much to my subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I'm so happy you subscribe to my channel, and I promise to keep you guys updated. And if today is your first time of seeing my channel, Love Beauty channel, please feel free to go around, check my previous videos, give this video a like my other videos, and subscribe to my channel, please. It's free of charge, okay? It's not going to cost you anything. Please show some appreciation by subscribing to my channel, okay? Thank you so much, and please give this video a thumbs up. Liking this video is going to help it to rank more, okay? Please, so like my video and share my video. So in today's video, this is a highly requested video and I'm granting the request today. So I'm making a facial cream. This is a face cream. I'm promising a face cream. So as you can see, here are the things you need to promise this face cream. So I'm going to list it out. I'm going to say the name one by one. So take your time and watch this video, so you won't come and be asking me questions that I already said in this video, okay? So take your time, watch this video, and after watching this video, if you have any question concerning this video, related to this video, or you have a video request you would want me to make, please drop it in the comment section, okay? Don't come to my WhatsApp to ask me. Just drop it in the comment section and I promise I'm going to grant the request, okay? So without wasting your time, let us get started. So lovelies, here are the things we need for the production, okay? So I'll be using skin-free face cream as my base cream, okay? This skin-free milk is a facial whitening and spot removing cream. It's whitened in 7 days and it contains carrot oil. It contains liquorized arbutin, vitamin A, glycerin, ginseng, vitamin C, collagen, kojic acid. This skin-free face cream, it has a lot of good reviews. This face cream is very good. It's very good and effective. You can use it alone or you can promix it if you know how to promix. So I'm going to use skin-free face cream as my base cream. So I'm going to start by emptying all this into my plate, my clean plate. Make sure that while you're making your production, you are using a very clean bowl. So this skin-free face cream is very good. So I'll be using all of them to make my production. So guys, the next cream I'm going to use is glutathione and vitamin C face cream. This is ultimate whitening and face dark spots. It evens out skin tone. This face cream is very effective and good too, just like this skin-free face cream. This one is also very good. I don't know if you can see it very well. This is glutathione vitamin C face cream. So while making this face cream, make sure that you get original of all the products you are going to use. Make sure that they are original. This face cream is very good. It contains glycerin, glutathione, alpha arbutin, vitamin C, kojic acid. This face cream has a lot of good ingredients in it. This is made with good ingredients, safe whitening ingredients that are not going to give you sunburn after using. This face cream is very good. So I'll be using one of these together with skin-free milk. This glutathione and vitamin C face cream is very effective, just like this, okay? So you'll be using the same measurement. If you are using one of these, use one of these too, okay? So I'm going to empty everything, and make sure to get the original of this face cream, because this face cream has a lot of fake in the market now. So make sure to get the original, and you are going to love the outcome. This face cream is very, very effective. If you can't make it for yourself, you can send me a WhatsApp message for training, ebooks, skincare ebooks. You can send me a WhatsApp message, okay? I'm going to drop my number in the comment section. But if you have any question concerning this video, you can drop it in the comment section. If you can't make this face cream, you can chat me up with the numbers I'm going to place in the comment section. So I'm done, and the next ingredient I'll be needing to make this is PIMENTO plus face cream. This face cream is a whitening face cream. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it clearly, this is a whitening face cream that has collagen and vitamins. Okay, this face cream is made with collagen, vitamins, citric acid, and glycerin. This face cream is very, very good. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of it. I won't use all. You'll be using 1 tablespoon of this face cream. I'll take 1 tablespoon of it and add it to my base cream. This video is going to be fast, so take your time and watch this video, please, so you don't have to ask a question concerning what I already said. And this is quick clear face cream. This is good for sunburns, acne, pimples, black spots, eczema, facial blemishes, eye cream remover, age spots. This face cream is very, very good. This face cream has a lot of reviews. You can Google it to know more about it. So I'm also going to be using 1 tablespoon of it. Oh, I hope this is not much. Now the next ingredient I'll be using is strong glutathione terminal white. This is an action strong tube cream. This tube cream is very, very, very good. If you don't get this, you can also use fair tube cream, but I just wanted to use this glutathione tube, so you can use this. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of it too. Okay, so guys, I'm done adding my face cream. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my whitening serum. So here I have Gluta-C Insta Whites all in 1 serum. I don't know if you can see it clearly. This serum has glutathione, alpha arbutin, vitamin C, and this serum has SPF of 15. It's for all skin types. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of it. I'm also going to be using 1 tablespoon of Kojisan, half tablespoon of it, sorry. Kojisan serum. This has kojic acid and vitamin C inside. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of it. So guys, after adding all my ingredients, I will have to stir this mixture properly. Stir it gently and make sure you stir properly, okay? Take your time. You can stir for 30 minutes or more if you are not using a blender. Make sure that all the ingredients mix very well. So take your time and stir. Don't mind the color of the face cream. It's because of this glutathione and vitamin C. That's why the color. You can add your own color. If you don't like this color, you can add your own color. And after you're done mixing your face cream, you check the pH of your face cream. This is very, 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 very important. After making your production, you check the pH of your product to make sure it's very good to use on the skin, to avoid the Love Beauty show you. The Love Beauty show you. I've showed you, but you have to play your own part by making sure that you check the pH of your product to make sure it's good for your face. Okay, guys? In my next video, I'm going to make a video on how to check pH of your product. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, so you won't miss out on any video I'm going to upload. I love you guys so much. So I'll try my best to be making very good content. So please, this is your first time of seeing me, subscribe to my channel. Now, after turning all the face cream together, I will have to package it. Okay, guys, so I'm going to stop here for today. If you like this video, you like what I just showed you, or you have any question concerning this video, please drop it in the comment section, okay? And I'm going to reply. Thank you so much for watching this video to this extent. I'm so happy. So in my next video, I'm going to make a glow oil. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel and you turn on the notification bell. It's very important, so that anytime this channel posts a video, you get notified in your notification that I have posted a new video. And don't forget to like this video, okay? So see you guys in my next video. Bye.